So I've been testing the new Vivo lineup, and here's the simple breakdown without overcomplicating things. If camera quality is your top priority, the Vivo X300 is the one to go for. That 200MP main sensor plus a 50MP ultra-wide actually makes a noticeable difference, especially in low light. It also feels the most true flagship in terms of performance. Now, if you want something more practical with crazy battery life, the X300 FE is interesting. You get a massive 6,500 mAh battery in a compact body, and Snapdragon power keeps it efficient. But the trade-off is clear. That 8MP ultra-wide camera is a downgrade. Then there's the X200T, which is honestly the most balanced for everyday use. Bigger 6.67-inch display, solid triple 50mm cameras, and great for media and gaming. Bottom line, camera lovers, X300 battery plus compact, X300, FE, big screen balance, X200T,